I'm Chuck Walker. I drive a 2002 Carrera base model, and acquired the car in 2020. It was kind of my pandemic when I thought I was going to die. I said if I died never owning a 911, my life would not be complete. So I found what I thought was a well-sorted base model. I wanted silver, black interior, just the classic setup. Found one in New Orleans, flew down there and picked it up from the dealer, and I drove it back to Nashville. Everything seemed fine, and then I noticed some soot on the left tailpipe, and I'd been following Jake on a couple of forums, and I said, yep, it's probably bore scoring. Immediately sent the pictures to Jake, and he's like, yep, you got at least the beginnings of bore scoring. So I got in line in 2021 and got my car back in April of 2023. Oh wow, direct comparison between the stock engine and my current engine, night and day, just smooth. And smooth as Tennessee whiskey, I'll say that it really has made the difference. Much more enjoyable to drive, especially in Nashville traffic, where you're shifting gears a lot. Getting into first gear and out of first gear is actually fun, and just the delivery of power is just so much more refined, and it gets better and better. I'm just 1,500 miles into my engine, so I've seen it just get better and better over the last 6 or 8 months that I've been driving it. It was meant to be, and even though I always have aspirations of a different car, I'll never get rid of this car because it speaks to me in so many ways. The unique nature, especially in this space where you have a lot of people doing a lot of things to cars, but very few that build a community around it. And I think that's what sets Flat 6 apart. Is it's not just the money and the time that it takes to get your car back, but it's an investment in something you believe in. And these cars, as quirky as they are, they kind of grow on you, and Jake as well grows on you with his Marine mentality is fitting for 996. I really liked his outspoken nature, that he was always contrary to whatever the popular mythology was putting out there. And then I started doing research, and it clearly was, the leader in the industry. So I was sold from day one that, if I was going to get an engine done, this is where I was going to go. So.